parents. This is Mr. Abel from the high school. I'm your child's English teacher, and I'm broadcasting here with a relatively primitive but hopefully informative informational video for you about the classes that I'm teaching. First of all, I just want to say how glad I am to be back in the building and back at work after the 6-month hiatus. It's really great to see kids again, to get working together, and we're off to a great and safe and healthy start, I would say, to the school year. So before I share a few other items about the course, a little bit more about me. I've been a teacher in the district now for 26 years. I've taught almost every English course in the high school. Much of the last 15 years I've spent teaching AP Literature and 12th grade English. This year, I'm really grateful to be teaching 10th grade honors and 11th grade regions, and we're off to a great start, and I think we have some really fun activities this year. Okay, so let's take a look a little bit at what we're going to be up to. As you know, most of your students' teachers, I'll be using Google Classroom as the main platform for the course. If you're not familiar with it, it's organized into a stream, which is for updates and announcements. And then I organize all my assessments and classwork under the classwork section. And you can see that we have our units stacked up, and then the assessments are always posted in here, and the students do all of their writing right in Google Classroom. So this has been really a useful tool because it allows me to give feedback to your students as they're writing. It allows me to help them stay organized and helps them know when and how to turn in the work that's completed. In the stream, I would like to point out that I have posted a copy of the syllabus for the course, which you are free to take a look at, and it will give you some information about the books we're reading, give you some information about assessments that'll be coming up this year, the complete policy, and of course, we have my email, which you can email me at any point for updates on your child. Also, I'm happy to take phone calls at work to discuss your child's progress. Just call the main office and have them put you through to me. All right, so there's the syllabus, and that's a little overview. I think mostly what I want to say this year, though, is that the students really have done just a remarkable job of helping keep each other safe, helping keep the teachers safe, and vice versa as we navigate this difficult time. And the school is, I think, practicing social distancing in a really effective way. The halls are not crowded, and people are being compliant with masks. As you can see in the classroom here, we have desks are spread out, providing ample distance for students to ensure their safety, but also allowing us to, continue to build a classroom community and have meaningful interactions and discussions, on the material learning. So I think that this is really a best case scenario for school openings this year, and really should set the standard nationally for what schools could be doing. And as I say, I really feel very safe here right now, and I'm grateful to be back. I do look forward to hearing from any of you during the course of the year, and I wish you a happy and fulfilling transition into fall. So thanks again for tuning in, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.